Hey yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy JOSHABRAHAM. Let's fucking go. So, I'm a bit late, but I'm back live and strong. Not gonna be too long, but yup. Mm-hmm. 101 subs. Let's go. The video is blocked. So this video can be visible due to one or more claims. Okay. So every music video I played had claims. So what do I do? Take action? Yeah. Erase. Yep. Gabriel IFYL. What is this? Oh. Hey yo, what's up, Gabriel? Hello, Lolo. So what is this? Right now, I was looking into organic chemistry. I have an exam coming up on 19th of February. And yeah. So I was looking into the subjects. Gabriel, I appreciate you for checking out the stream. How you doing, friend? Why is Austria here? Oh, it's from yesterday. Don't worry about it. So what was I thinking? Amazing. I appreciate that, bro. Or sister, amazing. I haven't seen your name before. Have you? Is this your first time here? Inorganic Chemistry. I see one. Let's go. Got him. Got him. Beatbox. The other job. Okay. Okay. Now I get it. I did not get the job. I did not get the job. So, but is there any good news? My classes are gonna start next month. Is that a good news? It's good. I could interact with people. That's good. I could get out of this room. Yeah. Another thing I want to look up was beatbox. I want to know how that thing works. The hairdresser job, that was crazy. But hey, I got a job application. Like I got the chance to do an interview with a doctor as, I don't know, coordination assistant, but the problem was German. If I had German, if I speak good German, I would have gotten the job. Why did I do a fake ass French? Yeah. Okay. Think what I was gonna do. This chat is mainly for me to learn this uh, online website I just found. If I had a lot of free time, I would be a boat captain. You work for some old British guy around Spain or something like that and get paid like five, is it 5 or 50? It's 5,000 US, 50, that's too much. US dollars a month without working every day. Boat captain. I never thought about that type of job, but I mean, the first thing that comes to my mind is Titanic. Okay, that's a tragedy, but uh, if you think in that way, I heard that what's the job? What are they called? The people who dive deep into the ocean. Not cave, no, not the cave ones. Scuba divers, yeah. I heard they get paid a serious amount of money, but there's a lot of risk. But still, uh, just to confirm, you only need C1 English, some Italian, maybe study for less than a year, and that's it. Oh, for the boat captain, okay. No way, 500 to 1,500. Ah, that's in US dollars, bro. Okay, I actually lost my interest. Okay, so you were talking about the boat job, the captain job. If you had free time, if you don't mind me asking, are you okay in letting me know what type job you do or what's your situation right now? Bro, some of these songs are so bad. Kodak Black, more like no flow, bro. And I wanna eat. What did you say? My stream lagged. Okay, so I was asking, you were talking about being a boat captain if you have a free time, right? So, would you mind letting me know what is your situation right now? Are you working? Do you have a job? How, if you're okay with it, or are you student, university? What's going on, gang? Let me make a beat. Shorts video, and I'm looking for some chill slash rap beats as background. The ones I have in iMovie, I have used Unemployed. Yippee! Yippee! Just like me. Just like me. Yo, yo, bring it in, bro. Bring it in. Yo, guess 1337. I was going, gang. Let's go good. Oh, I remember making a song in the website. Okay. I was also thinking making a small beat. Not right now, but uh, I was just looking up if ChatGPT can make them. Oh no. Okay. So that be stay away for a bit. Wait, if it's saved, let me look. What do you mean? Let me look. Like, there's I did not do anything. So Gabriel, you unemployed, huh? Just like me. But hey, 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 that's temporary, bro. It's all temporary. Damn, I'm at the bottom. So key trends, key to our trends, radius, right? I know the radius part. Electronegativity trends, gold EN. What is this? I'm guessing your need for this website is now over. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes. Why is gold special? This is about electronegativity and why gold can behave unusually for a metal. Most metals have low electronegativity. They lose electrons easily. Gold is unusual because 2.54 is high for metals. It is similar to selenium, a nonmetal, so gold is relatively electron attracting compared to most nonmetals. Benchmark idea using hydrogen EN is 2.2, often used as a rough dividing line. So what are you saying? The rule ionic versus covalent, rough rule, uh, delta En, change in electron negativity, 1.7 or larger. The bond is mostly ionic. Oh, okay, okay. I forgot the ionic and covalent. My mind is not coming up with the correct answer. Mhm. Also, I finished C hashtag today. Pronounced C sharp. Okay, okay, okay. I appreciate that. And I can't find it. You can't find what the project you finished today? Really, you can't find it? Come on, broski. The song. Which song though? Never mind. Okay. Okay. solution of cesium alurate in liquid ammonia and yellow cesium crystallized from liquid ammonia with blue contamination from. Oh, what is that? By Martin Jason. Okay. Okay. Could you. Okay. I understood that gold is, even though a metal, its electro negativity is pretty high, along with selenium. Now I need you to explain why and what are the other things mentioned here. Ugh, my spelling is so bad. Gold Epstein? Where is go? Is it the EN? Okay. What the hell? Yo. We don't talk about that, okay? We don't talk about that. That shit is wild. What the hell? What the hell? Please check out song EFN. In 15 minutes, you will be banned by Mossad agents. Please, it's not me. It's not me. It's my chat. Yo. This shit's wild. EFN. I don't want to do it, but I mean, there are a lot of songs. What? Okay, I saw something, and it's not looking good. Yo, how does YouTube allow these? Yo, guest 1337i, what did you mean by ENF? We got the whole package in one video. So, gold electron configuration, two important effects of relativistic contraction. Gold is heavy metal. It's a free strong fire song. Please try it. Put that on. Put that on. Have a Nagila hardcore receive 7K US. Okay. Yeah. Whoa. Wait. So. Guess 1337i. Did you mean by the first one? Because I understand you what you meant by the first one, but the rest is not looking good. And would I get copyright though? Because I did the last stream I did, it was today, and I played a lot of music. YouTube be like copyright. Now it's a meme song. EFN versus ERN1. I don't know, the whole thing sounds too meme material type shit. Now it's a meme song, okay. Versus ERN. Okay, bro. I'm not gonna. I did not know there was this. There's a secret language for these. EFN versus ERN. Let me just hear what is this thing. Whoa. Why is there a big E there? This one? It's electronegativity. Don't get wrong ideas, okay? Okay, guess one. We are Charlie Kirk. Oh, no. We are. No. Hey, we cannot make fun of a person who died, okay? The internet is getting too comfortable with making fun of people. Yep. Guess 1337. You were trying to get me into the hands of Mossad. The big Yahoo. Too bad he got 360 scooped. Someone better get his reboot card. Yo. Hey, we should not make fun of someone who is not even alive, okay? Whatever the beliefs are, no. Dude, Instagram is having a blast right now. So, what was I reading? Relativistic contraction. Gold is very heavy, and heavy atoms, inner electron move very fast, close to speed of light. Shut the fuck up. You don't know what even speed of light is. Yes. Yes to the Charlie Kirk statement, or relativity. Relativity causes 6s orbitals to contract, comes closer to nucleus. 6s orbital, the outermost orbital. 6s electron becomes more tightly bound. Ah, interesting. Yes to the ENO. Electronegativity. Would you like me to explain what electronegativity is? I could explain it to you. Ugh. What was that thing? Okay, that's interesting. The electron in the 6s orbital is moving faster because it's a heavy metal. No, I want to sleep. I understand that. I relate to that. Sleep is one of the best things. Not gonna lie, sleep is one. It could be a word. It could be a stupid statement, but sleep is one of the amazing thing that nature just gave to us for free. Some people say, "Oh, sleep is the worst." I gotta say, sleep is pretty good. Sleep is pretty good. 10 hours of sleep. That's a sweet spot. What are these songs? What are these songs? Okay, that's pretty interesting. Would you? I rather I rather 3 months of hibernation instead of 10 hours sleep. Like 3 months of hibernation and no sleep at all. Is that what was that what you were trying to say? Because if it's like that, okay, I kind of understand. Otherwise, it's hibernation is also a really cool concept. I think that would be the closest thing we could see in nature that is similar to time travel. That would be the closest thing. It's pretty interesting. I I get that it's a heavy metal, and that means there's more protons on the nucleus. So or wait, I want to hibernate for 9 months in September. Bro, it's better. I want to hibernate for 9 months in September, then wake up at August. Then I can skip 9 months of school. Okay. There's a difference between uh, just skipping everything and getting perfect sleep, right? There is a difference. For me, 10 hours sleep, after 10 hours sleep, I feel like I feel powerful. I feel oos, 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 oos. That type of energy. 9 months hibernation. Imagine. uh, I'm guessing gold is like the one of the last metals meets metals in the white in the white metals metals table, like higher number is gonna now be considered as non-metals. So oh, feeling oos is so oos, yeah, kind of right. Oos oos. Oh! um, so a higher number of protons is now going to consider as no metals, non-metals. uh yeah, it hurts. It hurts so much. It was in the bone. But I ain't no goddamn. So number of proton is going to be considered as non-metals. Again, I'm a bit confused. Confused on the electron traveling faster, and the faster traveling electron is near the nucleus. What? What? You're mixing three different ideas: atomic number, non-metal versus non-metal. I think Diddy and Epstein should do a collab. You know, the how do I represent this? These are real convicted. They're really bad people, but like I said before, and like a lot of people said before. Uh, is it funny? Yeah, it is funny. It's pretty funny. Like, but they both had their own stuff. It's pretty funny, but I don't know how to feel about those type of jokes. But that would go hard though. You're mixing three different ideas. Okay, why do electrons move faster in heavy atoms? Gold has 79 protons. That means very strong positive charge in the nucleus, very strong Coulomb attraction on electrons. The stronger the attraction, the tighter the electron is pulled in. For inner electrons, like 1s, 2s, the force is enormous to avoid collapsing into the nucleus. The electron must have high kinetic energy. Again, this is kind of contradicting with the electron cloud theory, or think high kinetic energy, high velocity for very heavy atoms. Law calculations show inner electrons move at significant fraction of the speed of light. Blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. Blame it on the night. That's the song I'm listening to. Don't blame it on me. To avoid collapsing in the nucleus, the electron must have a very high kinetic energy, higher velocity for every heavy atom. Calculations show inner electrons move at a significant fraction of the speed of light. High kinetic, higher velocity for heavy atoms. How inner electrons move at significant fraction of the speed of light. For gold, the 1s electron move at 60. This that against this comes from solving relativistic quantum equations. Oh, okay. Why does high speed matter? When something moves close to the speed of light, relativity kicks in. Relativity says velocity increases, effective mass increases. So the electron behaves as if it's heavier electron orbital shrinks. It's called relativistic contraction. Hmm. Hmm. I get it, but electron don't have mass though. What about that? I thought that you can only electron is some sort of photon, right? Maybe stupid, but from what I understand, mass can I consider proton as mass? Yeah, proton, you could consider protons as mass. So from my understanding, mass can only affect the direction of the photon or electron. I thought it can. I never thought it could affect the speed. A question: does alternative and parallel universe exist? If exist, proof of it. You came to the right guy. Well, I say they exist. You know why? Why? I don't. Why? Hmm. You could say Schrodinger's experiment, right? The cat. That could be considered as a proof, maybe. Uh, the double slit experiment, maybe. Was there something else? Uh, the fact that electrons are in a superposition. That is kind of a proof. There's you cannot pinpoint an electron inside an atom. At least that's what Heisenberg said. This guy just came up and said, "No, you cannot see an electron. It's there. Electron is there inside the atom. It's there, but you cannot see it. Why not? No, no, we don't work like that, boy, or girl, or whatever. It don't work like that. So that could be a proof. Just imagine there is something there, but you cannot pinpoint it. It is in a multiple position. I still don't know, bro. I actually don't know, but I think that's how it is. What do you think, so? Guess 13371. Do you think parallel universe exist? Alternate parallel universe? Okay, again. Relativity kicks in. Something close to the speed of light. Again, I thought electrons were a sort of photon. Hey, when does, I don't know, when does the quantum tunneling attempt stream starts? It's gonna be coming up in the near future. Don't worry. We're gonna bring back Time Machine, like I promised. Time Machine is gonna be back. It's a Crackathon promise. So, what was it? Photon. I know. This statement might be stupid, but let me know if there's a difference. I thought electron were a sort of photon. And if has no mass, I don't understand the velocity part. Also, electrons are more like a cloud from what I understood. Where did the velocity come in? Good question. This is not stupid. Yo, GPT, you don't got a glaze, okay? I know. You're mixing three things: electron, photon, mass, no mass, cloud versus velocity. Let's separate them cleanly. Electron is not a photon. They're completely different particles. Electron has a rest mass, charge of -1, obeys Schrodinger's Dirac equation. I don't know Dirac. Can move slower than light, cannot reach the speed of light. Photon has zero to rest mass. Very different objects. Objects? Could you say that they're objects? So electrons are not sort of photons. Mhm. I need to know more about electrons, not gonna lie. I'm still confused on electrons. My stupid brain is still not comprehending what the electron and photons are. If electrons are a cloud, where does velocity come from? We mean probability distribution. It tells us where the electron is likely to be found. It does not mean the electron is standing still. In quantum mechanics, an electron is an atom that still has kinetic energy, even if in the ground state it's not stationary like a planet. The wave function has a momentum built into it. Even though we don't picture a little while orbiting, the electron still has momentum and kinetic energy. Velocity appears through its momentum. Electrons, momentum, visualize electron. Timer? Oh, I set a timer. Okay. Stop. So, translating abstract quantum mechanical property functions over high speed particle dynamics and observable data because electron behavior. So basically, we don't know. Hmm. Hmm. Look at these. Oh, can I even complain? No. I'm getting lost in the sauce. Okay, for 10 minutes, I'm gonna look into this one. Beatbox. 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 Hey, Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes. Beatbox. Beatbox. Chill rap beat. Let's go. So, how do I start? Set the basics. Tempo BPM, chill 70 to 85 BPM. Do you think I know how to set that? If you think I don't. Oh, okay. There we go. Temp. So I got it set in at 75 to 80. 75. Let's go for 75. And lo-fi rap, I don't care. Modern trap, I don't care. Start with 80 BPMs. Safe and versatile. Okay. okay. I'll listen to you. And what else? Scale. Minor scale sounds more emotional. Try minor A or D. Okay. I don't even know how to do that. Okay. Scale. There's easy scale. There's blues. There's expert. Okay. I don't even know what that is or how it works. Good. Right at the starting point. What is a minor or a D minor? What is A minor or D minor? Are we listening to Kendrick right now? Certified, certified lover boy, certified petabyte. What? Fuck 'em up. What? I'ma do my stuff. Trying to stroke a minor. That was the stupidest thing I ever done on a stream. No cap. No, no cap. Guess what? That was even stupider. It's just a group of notes that sound good together. Music at 12 possible notes. Blah, 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 blah. A minor, easiest one. Minor uses these notes A, B, C, D, E, F. Where is this? Where is A, B, C, D, E, F? That's it. No sharps, no complicated stops. If you're using those notes in beatbox, your melody will sound emotional. What minor means? My AI chatbot. I don't know what it is. Okay. Don't get me wrong. I don't see any A, B, C. I see a 4 by 4 matrix of ones with different colors. Then 3, 3, 6. Wait, 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 9, 3, 12. Your average Sans fan. Yo, was good. How is it going? So I was trying to make it beat for 10 minutes. It might work. It might work. Then it's a matrix of zeros, 6, no, 12, x4. There's a lot of buttons above them. Mind you, this is the first time I'm using something that is even related to music, so I'm the noobest noob you can find. I'ma start playing Minecraft. Let's go. That's cool. Good, that helps. You're not dumb. Okay. Everybody's telling me that. What you're seeing before is your pattern selector. Which pattern plays when? Is your actual note grid. This is where you place notes. The buttons above, settings like scale, keys, tempo, instruments. We ignore the 4 by 4 thing for now. We focus on the big note. Minecraft is mid, not gonna lie. It's full of tryhards. Guest 1337i. I believe you are mastering the art of rage bait. Or is it like you truly believe Minecraft is not that cool? Or not that it's overhyped? Shut it. Okay. the moment that made me respect Minecraft, not just that, but I heard that someone made ChatGPT inside Minecraft. I was like, what? Now that's a game. Now that's interesting. I don't know how he did it, but that's cool. Now that's something you don't see every day on a video game. At the top, find the scale. Change it to minor. Where is the scale? At the top? I got rhythm. I got key. Oh, I got to see the keys. Scale. Change it to minor. There's no minor. Not gonna lie, I hate Minecraft like bruh. The commands are harder than manually soldering logic gates, or some tryhard kills you in bedware or PvP. Totally trash game, and devs don't listen to community overall. 10 out of 0. Okay. Well, I haven't played Minecraft. I want to try playing Minecraft. I will. So, on the scale part, it's easy, normal, that type of stuff. Guest 1337I. Can I indulge you with an idea, with a thought? Maybe it is you who's bad at the game? Maybe? It's a joke, okay? Don't take it serious. Oh, bro, he's a 12-year-old. Okay, 12-year-old. Hightail better, bro. I never heard about that game. Hightail. Sandbox game by. Oh, okay. It's first impression. It's similar to. I forgot the name. Terraria, or is it a 3D? No, it's a 3D. Okay. It looks exactly like Minecraft. Maybe more. Hytale. I never heard about this. IGN 7. It works on all the platforms. It was 2015. No way, I can download it for free. Yo, I can download this game for free right now. Screw Hytale, okay. I gotta give it to Hytale on this part. I can download it right now for free. Or is it free though? Stop. Okay, guess I cannot make music right now. Free or paid? Paid, okay, it's a paid game. But still, I never heard about Hytale. Imagine a game so unoptimized, players are downloading mods to get FPS. I don't know if that's real. I guess. But I've seen tutorials with the people playing Minecraft who, they test devices like laptops, and it shows 100 FPS, 120 FPS. And I don't think they used any sort of mods. Okay, well, back to inorganic chemistry. Electrons behave as quantum wave functions, but waves can carry momentum. Even light, which is a wave, carries momentum. Momentum is a quantum mechanics. So even a wave function has a momentum. Momentum implies kinetic energy. The key idea: electron is a electron in a heavy atom, very strong nuclear attraction, high momentum. Velocity becomes relativistic. Relativistic. What was the term? Oh shit! Where was the term? Where is the term? Uh, relativistic. Pong better. You are bringing up games left and right. Oh, okay. That's a valid take. That is a valid take. Pong. This is what the all started. Where it all started. Damn, guest 13371 made a valid take. So I was okay. I kind of get that part now. My doubt is I asked the question about last metals. Yep, metals versus non-metals. Why does high speed matter? No. Important correction. Higher number of protons is now gonna be considered as non-metals. That is not correct. I know, but you understand what I mean, right? Valence electron configuration, position in the periodic table, position in the periodic table. Wait. The cake making game on Windows 7 is better than Minecraft. Fight me. I did play that game. Oh, what else was there on Windows 7? There was chess. I used to play chess on Windows 7. Hmm. The cake making game, there was something else. I feel like there was something else. Was there? Oh, then there was some card games, right? Yeah, I know. I don't play card games that much. There was the cake making. Oh, it's taking me back. Let me. How do you even play these games? Guest 1337. The computer you're gonna get is Windows 10. At least it should be Windows 10, right? This Python code is more optimized than Minecraft print optimized game. Okay, bro, you're rage baiting at this point. Chess Titans, Hearts, Internet Checkers, Internet page, Purple Place, Purple Place. That's the name of the game. Yeah, there was the cake building. There was something else. Yeah, there was the makeup, right? Yeah, you could design the face. Back in the old days. Back in my day. Can I see the position of non-metals? God damn it, it's not mentioned here. Non-metals. Nope. How do I get it? How do I get it? Even the even the Tung Tung Sahur is better than Minecraft. Tung Tung Sahur. Yo, okay. You stepped too far, okay? You stepped too far. Guess 1337I. That's out of the you stepped out of the line. I'm making a Minecraft server with my friend. Okay. That's good news, Sans fan. That is good news. So, we got. Oh, Google, show me the whole thing. We got non-metals, reactive non-metals. I'm guessing these are reactive non-metals. Okay, what's common here? Gold is still a metal because it conducts electricity. It forms metallic bonds. It has metallic structure. It is usually high electronegativity. For a metal, it does not make it. I know that it does not make it non-metal. Did you even understand the question? Did you even understand what I was trying to ask you? Why does faster electron means closer to nucleus? No AI slop. Say no to AI slop. Only good AI, no AI slop. The potato is better than MC. It transfers electricity. Do you know what is the best answer to rage bait? It's ignoring. Why does faster electron mean closer to nucleus? This part confuses many students. Classical analogy, not a perfect, but it helps. I don't want the classical in quantum mechanics. Stronger nuclear charge, lower orbital energy. Relativity modifies the energy levels further. Ka metal cation TiCl4 dissociates in Ti4 plus Cl minus. Gold's unusual electronegativity En equals 2.54, very high for metals, close to selenium. P block non-metal. This is a non-metal. This high En allows golds to accept electrons and form Au minus. Ionic versus covalent bond prediction rule of thumb. 1.7 ionic bond, gold plus cesium, delta En equals 2.54 minus 0.79, 1.75 ionic. What? So if the change in electronegativity is above or so this is for above this value or till this value. Also, I kinda forgot what exactly was ionic and covalent bond. Who's Cthulhu? Okay. Minecraft. Okay, from the first sentence, uh, you know what first came to my mind? It reminded me of KSI's song. Think of it. And the first comment was like something just like this. It was like, if the song had better artists, better beat, better lyrics, it would have been a better song. Default juice, yellow, yo, was good. Minecraft would be better if it was another game, another code, another dev, another country, another team, another device than PC and phone. So you're telling me if Minecraft was real, it would have been better. You're giving Minecraft too much credit. Would you rather live in a world where there is the game Minecraft, or would you not live in a world where there's no game such as Minecraft? Default juice, what's up, gang? Appreciative for checking out the stream. Kids, bro. I changed my name. Used to be Joe Adams. Damn, that's a cool name. Joe Adams. That's a cool name, Joe Adams. But have you ever been to this channel? Who's Joe? Nah, don't say the magic word. Nah, Default juice. Have you ever been to this channel before, or is it your first time? I watched before I changed my name. Joe Mama. It, the meme Joe Mama is dead, and you just brought it back. You just went out there and they like, I need to bring back Joe Mama. Okay, I'm doing too much. But I haven't seen this uh, Joe Adams name before. Well, I appreciate you for checking out the stream, gang. Difference in electronegativity bond is, so if it's greater, then the bond is ionic. If it's lesser, it's covalent. Think of it the rough guidance. Large difference. Electrons are pulled mostly by one atom. Ionic. Oh, okay, okay, okay. One atom gives up the electron to another. That's ionic, and covalent is sharing of electrons. But realistically, your voice is echoing. By the way. Okay. Mm, too bad Steve Jobs died. I'm gonna stop there. What happened to the echoing part? What can I do? Let me try this. How about now? Is there still echo going on? I tried to mute my screen audio, but there's nothing playing on the background. It's either. Yeah. Okay. Is it Discord? Maybe it's Discord. Let me check. Just a minute. I'll look into it. I'm gonna close Discord. Maybe that helps. Is it still there? Ligma. Ligma is a serious disease, though. Okay. Right. No, there's no disease. Yo, it was 2018, though. Back in the day. Ionic bond. Okay, ionic bond is the one where one electron gives up an. Also, there's. Oh shit! One of my friends is calling. There's no. Default juice. Is is the audio still echoing? Yeah, I think it is. Okay, it's still echoing. Mhm. Let me try listening. My phone is not even showing the live. Okay. My phone is not even showing the live. Okay. My phone is not even showing the live. Stop! 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 It looks pretty okay to me. What do you say, default juice? Guest 1337I. You, as much as I want to appreciate you for bringing up newer memes, 2025 memes, mm, Zexun Sieben? That's I used to hate 6 7. I was like, what's the point? It's not even funny. It's not even. It doesn't even have anything though. Also, I recently saw on Instagram there's a hand sign for for the 2015 meme. What? What? That looks like a gang sign. A pull up. I'm not doing that again. Or does the no such thing? Hundred and two subs. Let's go. I should be making a video on. Well, okay, I'm gonna ask your guys an opinion. Okay, how many people are in the stream? I don't know. What? Okay. So, what do you guys think about making a tech video? Like not a room tour, because there's nothing up here, but you know, showing what is the tech I use right now. What do you think about that video? Is it meh? Is it is it something that makes you go, or it's nah, bleh bleh is fine. Wait, bleh bleh. Did you hear the question though? What do you think about a video of showing off, not showing off, like showing what are the devices that I use right now? Because I'm using a 10-year-old phone, and this shit is, how do I say it? It tests your patience. Stop getting distracted. Stop getting distracted. Okay, so you set a timer for 20 minutes. Electrons are shared equally. Reality: if the atoms have different electronegativities, electrons are pulled towards one atom. HCl bond mostly covalent but polar because Cl is more electronegative. Negative. And a bond idea: one atom completely gives them an electron. Reality: yeah. Covalent bond: electrons are shared equally. If the atoms have different electronegativities, electrons are pulled more towards one atom. Okay. Okay. I'm guessing nobody either understood the question or no one supports such a video. I guess. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna make one just to see how can I explain these stuff. Ka metal ion. TiCl4 dissociates to Ti4 plus Cl minus in water. What was this? Could you explain to me what exactly is mentioned here? Do you know how stupid you have to be to ask ChatGPT to tell you what is written here? Can you run this command? Python command on Python. X equals 1 while true, print x x star equals 2. What? No, I don't think I could. I mean, if you want, I could try running it, but what is this? I don't get the point. So it shows 1, just run it. How do I run it though? Does that even work? Or no, don't run. Oh, wait. Can I run this code on? I don't think this is the full code, but that's me though. Oh, it's an infinite loop. Okay. Yo. Yo. Eventually cause integer overflow consume all memory. Okay. I think I heard about something like this on the class. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so that is something that works. Okay. I did not expect it to be a fully functioning code. But hey, guess 1337i. I appreciate you for letting me know don't run it. Because if you didn't tell me that, that would be a shitty move. Dissociation of TiCl4, TiCl4 plus H2O. What's happening here? TiCl4 dissolves in water. Titanium is very electrophilic. So let's go step by step, decode what's happening in your notes. This is a classic inorganic chemistry topic, metal cation hydrolysis and acidity. What's happening here? TiCl4 dissolves in water. Titanium is very electrophilic. It's highly charged in small radius. Water molecules coordinate around Ti4 plus to form a hexa aqua complex. This is not just dissolving, it's a complex formation. So, hydrolysis of the computer complex. How is your grades, by the way? I wouldn't say it's the best, but it's improving, and I need to keep on improving. Yeah, that would be the correct answer. My exact grade would be 6 out of 10. That's the current situation. I'm passing the subjects, but I'm not there yet. Can you show it? I'm curious. How do I show my grades though? Mm, yep, there we go. So these are the subjects I passed. Let's take Introduction to Mathematics. I got successfully completed. Now, what does that mean? Wait. So, guest 1337I, are you US based or EU based? Like, uh, do you know these type of marking schemes? Like one here for my one is the highest grade and five is the lowest. And let me take it. Copy. I'm Turkey based. Okay, so I'm guessing that's how that it's there, right? And we use 0 to 100 and 100 is the best. Okay, so right now my university uses 1 to 5, 1 to 5, 1 is the highest, 5 is the lowest. So for mathematics I got successfully completed. Successfully completed is like, well, wait. So math is like I did not attend. Did I attend? I don't know. Okay, math is just successfully completed. Now, chemical laboratory safety successfully completed. Application of mathematics, I got satisfactory, which is like satisfactory. It's like 3. Oh, did you get a job? Nope, not yet. So, yeah, this one I got 3. That would be like, what would 3 be? It's like a 6 out of 10, right? Yeah, it would be like a 6 out of 10. Introduction to organic chemistry sufficient. Sufficient is like 4, which is like 5 out of 10. That means I just passed. Introduction to analytical chemistry, again, sufficient, just passed. Introduction to chemical calculation, successfully completed. That means I did it right. Analytical chemistry, satisfactory. So that's like 3, which is like 6, just above passed. Exercises in physics, excellent, that means good, right? Excellent is like 9, I believe. Application of math, 2. Sufficient, which is like 4, which is 5, just pass. Genetics, introduction to genetics, excellent, that's the 9. Chemical calculation, sufficient, which is like just pass. Introductory lab course, just pass, just pass. So it's not looking good. It's not the best out there. And I haven't gotten this thing good. I never got good. It's either excellent or it's just sufficient. Well, yeah, it's like barely making it type of marks. Uh, Hydrolysis of the complex, dissociation of TiCl4. What's happening here? TiCl4 dissolves in water. Titanium is a very electrophilic. Ti4 plus is a highly charged small radius part of molecules coordinate around Ti to form hexa aqua complexes. This is not just dissolving, it's a complex formation. So 6 water molecules. And this time it changed from 6 to 5, and 1 is now. Last semester, I got 95% on math. Is it good? It is good. That's a good mark. Just make sure keep on going for those numbers. Solution becomes acidic. Uh-huh. Why is it acidic? Because hydronium ions. Metal cation concentration. Minus higher Ka. Higher products needed in industry. Use ICE table and Ka. Formula K is conjugate base by hydronium by conjugate acid x square. Oh, from the ICE table, okay. X square equals hydronium square if x is small. Note that this formula is not good for strong acid as x is large and cannot be neglected. In the denominator, 1 minus x. Uh-huh. Guess 1337I. Do you remember what type of math questions were you asked? This is why TI4 salts are strongly acidic in water. Kenugan is like basic, right? Enough. Oh, I remember one question. Find the last two digits of 16. It is divisible with 9 or something like that. Okay, division. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Uh, I don't know if I should say this, but uh, you got 95 on math, right? That's actually really good. And at least whenever I study, I try to make sure that I understand what I'm learning. Like, you need to get marks, but uh, yeah, I try to understand what I'm learning. Okay. A lot of ads. So this equation mentioned here, I remember it being something like only used when the acidity is low or something, and there's different formulas for different strengths. Well, I just opened one 20-minute video of a guy explaining every day. Oh shit, okay. And I passed first semester with 91.51. Let's go. That's good. That's how it should be. Every day, it's one guy explaining stuff every day. Is it like organic chemistry tutor? Because that guy helped me a lot. Oh, what the notes are saying? You have weak acid like weak acid like a hydrolyzing metal cation in water. K is equilibrium constant. Hydronium concentration at equilibrium. Simplification for weak acid. For weak acid, X really greater less than 1. So 1 minus X is exactly, it's kind of 1. So X is the value for conversion. Then Ka X squared X root of Ka H3O plus root of Ka pK and pH. pK equals. Yo, Siri, what the fuck is wrong with you, Siri? Just some channel explaining 6th grade things like math, Turkish, science, etc. Uh-huh. That's cool. So you don't go to class? But hey, sometimes you just have to learn stuff, right? Doesn't matter if you go to class or not. I did not say that. I should not say that. Not just for studying. Okay. You still go to class, but after that, after coming back home. pH equals minus log H3O plus root of Ka. Combine works for weak acids where X is small. Limitation strong acid, okay. Works best for low concentration. Connection to metal cations. Hydrolyzing cations are treated like weak acid. Ka is huge, okay. Help predict risk and reactivity. Lowest category, highest pK values. Low acidity classification, neutral, non-acidic. High acidity classification, further reactions, okay. Well, gotta go. Oh shit. You send the message exactly on the time where I had the timer. Guest 1337I. Appreciate you for checking out the stream. Respect. Also, Joe Adams. You still here though? Joe Adams. Still kicking. Hell yeah. So is the voice still echoing? Echoing. Still holding on my life. On my life. Respect. Mhm. I have a visa appointment day after tomorrow. I gotta gather all the documents. What were the documents though? PK is 3, K is 10 raised to minus 3. Okay. Oh, ow. Proof of health insurance. How's it looking though? Is there an end date? Nope, nothing. Bank statements, okay. Application form. Do I have the application form though? Should I go get the application form tomorrow? I should be going and go and get the application form. Well, I don't know, just came back. Yo. I mean, do you have classes tomorrow though? Verlängerung. Well, guess 1337. I appreciate you for checking out the stream though. Yeah, but who cares? Exam is in like 6 to 7 weeks. I mean, you have to wake up, right? You have to wake up for classes, right? Pardon? Oh, we got PDF and. Okay, let me see. But is it the one though? Yeah, but I usually sleep in 3 a.m. Whoa. Is that good? I don't think it's good, but oh. Student, okay. Student mit Mobilität, okay. Oh, I can choose. Okay, that's good. I don't know. I usually couldn't sleep, but I enter bed at 1:30. Yo, is that good? And when do you wake up? When is the classes though? That does not sound good. I wake up at 11. The classes are at 13 to 17:15. Okay. Okay, you're still getting 8 hours of sleep. That's good. At least that's good. I know I'm asking too many questions, but what about your parents though? Usually my parents be like, "Yo, get back to bed, boy." That's how my parents say. At least they used to say. Now they chill. Okay, it's cool. Okay. Just don't chill about Turkish scores. Need 80% minimum. Okay. Uh huh. So okay, so you're getting enough marks, so it's like okay. Yeah. Back in my home, it was not like that. I don't usually get 95 or something. I think the max I go was 80%. So they were not that happy, and they're even not happier now. But hey, 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 the more I understand, education is for us, not to convince parents. Okay, I have the PDF. Now, should I call them and inquire tomorrow? I think that would be the best step. I should better call them and ask, "Yo, I got the sheet. Is that what it is?" It opens at Thursday, 8 a.m. Now, the question is, would I wake up at 8 a.m.? I should. Fun fact, I'm actually Albanian in DNA, but I'm born in Turkey, okay? Don't get me wrong. Albanian. Albania is a country in the Balkans, okay? Hmm. Where's Austria though? Okay, there we go. Turkey would be. Uh-huh. It's fun to look at the maps. Like I would be somewhere around here. Yeah, somewhere around here. And where's Turkey though? Ukraine, Belarus, Czech, Croatia, Turkey. There we go. I'm in Ankara. Okay. Oh, the capital city. I'm guessing that's the cap. No, Istanbul is the capital, but okay. My real place, the creators. My creators are in the somewhere around here. Damn. Look at these. That's basically it. That's basically everyone. Bruh, Indian parents have too much expectations, right? Yeah, there is that stereotype. But, yep, the more I realize the parents' expectations are there, but you should also have some sort of vision, right? You should have some sort of, I will get this or I'll understand this. At least that's what I think. I don't know. Yep, there is a stereotype for Indian parents. Also, is that a job application? Okay, no, that was not a job application. That was a visa application. I have a congratulations 100 messages. Let's go. W's. Uh yeah, it's not a job application, it's a visa application and I have a visa appointment on Friday, day after tomorrow. So, yeah, I should bring that thing filled in. EP got to make it to 101. Let's go. How is my Reddit doing? I'm doing everything except studying. Bioengineering, what? Can you try Deltarune someday? I used to play Deltarune, but I stopped because I have to complete Undertale. Yep, of course I'll play Deltarune after I finish Undertale. What was I going for? Also, new in this channel, what is more? Oh shit, glad you asked, bro. So it's basically, I could give you the whole lore. So it's basically, I used to play video games, right? So I used to play video games for 15 minutes. Then I stopped playing because no job. I started something called 5 minutes of Reddit. FMOR. That's basically more. It's just me checking out different subreddits for 5 minutes. But the video is not 5 minutes. It's more than 5 minutes. Yeah, more. And there's another one. It's called goatee. It's like ghetto of the internet. That one is me checking out Instagram, Twitter for 5 minutes. Hey, you are a good guy. I'm gonna give you credit if I make a game. Yo, I appreciate that. I would appreciate the fact that if I could play the game. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I should upload the last one. There we go. Share. Ready. The one in the bio is corrupted? What? No way. Can you try it again? Or I could open the link. What? That should not happen though. Discord. Accept invite. It should be working. Yeah, it's corrupted. Uh huh. Okay, I could send you the link, of course. What was that though? No, don't worry. How do you send it though? Invite a server. Copy. I can paste it on the chat. What? Okay. Is it is the link now working though? I don't know. It still doesn't work. Okay. Wait, send me a request on Discord. Maybe that will work. Yeah, I mean, of course. That's so weird. Is it a location issue? I don't think so. Hard to pie. Okay. Did you get something? Oh, maybe. Okay, your email is not verified. Okay. So BK 3 metal concentration 0.01, V1 pH of solution. Check if the V acid approximate 30%. Check if the weak acid approximation works. Not extremely small, but weak acid approximation is okay-ish here. What is that one, please? I don't want the. I would prefer uh, straightforward. That's the metal concentration. We want pH of solution. Check if weak acid approximation works. I don't give a shit. Calculate pH. pH is equal to minus of H. So, yo, did you just get. Okay, this example seems too easy. I remember once with the Ka1, Ka2, and water autoprotolysis. Like, I want something that uses all those. Health risk predict reactivity. Lowest category, highest PK. Strong reaction with water, dangerous. Okay, strong reaction with water is dangerous. Wait, I gotta go now. Well, I appreciate you for checking out the stream, though. My mom is forcing me. Yeah, of course. Peace out. Peace. I should also end the stream like within 5 minutes. My limit is reached. It's already 11. I should wake up on time. Hmm? Bit short though. Okay, YouTube, I'm gonna end the stream. Peace out. I should get better, bro. I'm not even close for the exam. No, I'm not even close.